Here we go.
Hello. Got a blown wheel mirror. Fuck.
The Italian people, they can just fuck off.
As the sun rises on another frozen Arctic morning, it's time to wake up the old girl. Poor thing's never been this cold, neither have I, and I'm feeling it. Let's see how she starts when she's frozen. My phone said before it was -5 on Snapchat, and it said it was -3 on the weather app. Oh man, it's like properly frozen. I can't even move the choke. Like the choke won't even pull. Might have to like try and lever that, but hope we don't snap it. There we go, now we got some choke. What did that break? Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Hope it doesn't freeze, right? It is so cold. I need to get a coffee just to warm my fingers up. Oh my god, I'm freezing. Hey buddy. My fingers are frozen, bro. Can I get a coffee and donut? So the owner said it was 7 here this morning, -7 here this morning. This is 60 kilometres from where I stayed, so I'd say it probably would have been about the same where we were. And we're in Sweden! Is it country 19 or country 20? I've got no idea anymore. It was nice to cross the Arctic line. That nice feeling was short-lived. I've got another flat tyre. I'm done. Had enough of this. Now I've got a punctured front tyre. How the hell do I have a flat tyre? And there's something going on in the back. I don't know what's going on. I'm done. I'm fed up. I've had enough. So we're stuck here on the side of the road at the moment. Out the side of like Pitia or something like that. I don't really know what it's called. We've got a flat front tyre. We've got the back tyre. The disc is rubbing on the caliper. There's coolant leaking from somewhere. We've achieved what we set out to achieve, and it seems like the bike has just decided that it's had enough. It's gotten to this point and it's like, yeah mate, I've done what you wanted me to do, fucking figure it out on your own now. And the bike's just doing whatever it can to keep us from moving. I tell ya, I don't know what to do. While I was sitting on the side of the road, contemplating my life choices, a bloke pulled up and said, follow me, mate. I know a place you can stay and fix your bike. And took me to this hotel.
They have some parking here on the backside, but you have to talk with the people at the...
Yeah.
They will help you with that.
Yeah. Okay.
I see they are renovating. Go up there.
So last night while we're having dinner, we got another tyre dropped off. That's a summer tyre. So we're going to pull the studded tyre off again. Only to use it for what, 2 days? I'm going to a tyre shop now. I tried to call them, but they didn't answer, so I'm just going to rock up. Hopefully they got a tube really, and hopefully they can do it for me, because I'm sick of pulling tyres off. So we've got good news, and we got bad news. Not bad, but not good. I had a tube there for me, so now I can put the tube in. I've got to do it myself again because there was no one there. Well, there was a lot of people there. That was the issue. There was too many people there. It was fucking flat out. Everyone's changing from their summer to their winter tires. I'm doing the exact opposite of that. I'm going from winter to summer again. We're just going to do a speed run at this, see how quick we can actually do it, because we've done it so many times in the past week. That's a bloody personal record, that. 50 minutes. 50 minutes, tyre off, tyre on the bike. Now, maybe add 10 for pulling it off this morning and stuffing around, but I'm happy with that. That's not bad, 1 hour. Especially in the cold weather. So yeah, we're learning. You know, that's a positive out of this shitty situation. We're getting better at swapping tyres. Okay, cool. Alright, let's pack up and fucking get moving, man, because we've got a lot of fucking ground to cover in the next 9 days. Here we go. G'day, mate.
Which country are you from? Which country? Australia. Australia, okay. So where have you been driving from?
When I start?
Yeah.
Malaysia.
What?
Malaysia.
Malay? Have you driven all the way?
Yeah.
Do you have a driver license?
Yeah.
Do you know what speed limit it is?
No.
If you continue to drive like this, you will not have a driver license. Because you have exceeded the driver license. Quite much. Drive carefully and keep the speed down.
Okay, so 80.
80, it's
80.
here. And then it's 110 when you come to Umeå, around there.
Okay. Okay, officer, thank you. Apparently I was doing 150 in the 80 zone. Speedometer's broken, Mr. Officer. I'm sorry. Anyway, maybe we don't go so fast for a little while. Slowing down was a good idea because I didn't know this was about to happen. Got a blown wheel bearing. Fuck. That's a showstopper. That's a done. Can't move. Fuck! What the fuck am I gonna do? This is a fucking thing. apart. We've been here for like an hour or so now, but we've made some progress. My friend Steve, from All in Travel, check him out, he's a friggin' man. He's organised somebody to come and pick me up, and they're going to take me back to their house, put the bike on a trailer, and we're going to try and get it sorted. A bloke called Lars drove over an hour to come and pick me up from the side of the freeway. We got stuck right into pulling this hub apart to see how bad it actually was. There's your problem.
It's totally fucked.
Well said, mate. Yeah. Alright, so update. Losh came and picked us up last night. Steve organised it for us. We pulled it apart to see what was wrong, and the wheel bearing completely disintegrated and exploded. So we smashed all them out last night. One's completely gone, the other two were about to go. So I've got all new bearings that we're going to chuck in now. We're running behind schedule, we're running out of time, but just going to get it done, solve the problems, and get through it. He took the day off work to help me source some replacement parts and help me knock them in.
Perfect. No?
Lars, mate, thank you very much for helping keep the dream alive. Now I've got to blitz several hundred kilometres to get to Steve's house to give this bitch a well overdue birthday. Finally, I'm warm and dry, and I've got a brand new set of tyres. No more second hand for old Ado. I hope you guys are enjoying the tyre swap montages. So we're getting some love for the final stage of the trip, the final 2,000 kilometres. And we've got a coolant leak, which is here. Get that out of the way. So this bit of plastic has been rubbing on the radiator there and sprung a leak. How the hell do you get that shit? Anyway, we'll fix it. It's got new tyres, it's gonna get an oil change, might even get a wash, maybe not. Maybe leave the oil to preserve it. But yeah, a little bit of maintenance. Piece of shit.
That's
beautiful.
thin.
It's like paper.
Yeah. It's been rubbing there for quite some time.
You'd think the plastic would perish before the bloody metal.
Yeah.
Apparently not.
No. Some GB welding. Beautiful. And we put some extra support. A half liter.
Half litre?
Yeah.
And she used a bit. I put a litre in a little while ago, I guess, wasn't it?
So now we did an oil change and we see how much oil we had before we started. So it was only failing 2 liters of oil.
I put a litre in since the last service as well.
And when were that?
In Levi in Lapland, so what's that?
Yeah, you go from Latvia, Estonia, Finland.
I did it full service in Riga.
Yeah.
I went from Riga to Nordkap to here, so that's how many thousand Ks?
Yeah, it's like 5,000 or something.
5,000?
At least.
Yeah. Yeah, so I was due for a service. I put 1 litre in. It all comes out here.
Yeah.
Or just pisses out of this. Sitting at 130 and it just fucking spews it out.
Yeah. Nice. Dinner is served.
Perfect. Good job.
So this, I think, is the best pizza in the whole fucking world. The Italian people, they can just fuck off because this is the best one. Real Swedish special kebab pizza. Really nice one.
It's like a salad on a pizza.
Yeah.
Lettuce and shit. It's not bad. Got the modern Dakar Legend. The classic Dakar Legend. A couple more Katos. And the Sprinter. So she got a massive birthday today. Got new brake fluid, new brake pads, full service, new oil, fixed the leaking radiator. What else did we do? Fix the charger that was broken, put a new charger in.
Did some waxing on the...
Yeah, cleaned up this because it's going to keep raining. She's ready for the last 2000.
We did service on the visor on the helmet as well.
Yeah, wax the helmet visor so I can see.
Get some goggles.
Yeah.
If you don't see, maybe you will see with the goggles.
I fucking hope so. New tyres, front and back. Some Michelins, yeah. Thanks to Steve, sorted that out for us. Where'd they come from?
They come from Deck Center. It's the best deck shop in Sweden. And if you're going to do the TET in Sweden, you will pass by my place and pick some good tires for you. So
These should last at least till Spain. Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. No more breakdowns. If it breaks down again, I'll light it on fire. Fuck, we are pissing out oil. Fuck! Man, that is a lot. That is a lot. Holy crap. Holy crap. No! No!